Welcome to Judy's Recess. This is Carnival Vista, a 6-day Caribbean cruise to Celebration Key for Junkanoo energy and snorkeling off the beach, the Dominican Republic with breathtaking 360-degree views atop Mount Isabella de Torres, and the crystal clear waters of Half Moon Cay. Come along, enjoy the fun on Carnival Vista. It's cruise day. It is 6:46 a.m. Ready?
Yeah.
Take the exit toward Port Canaveral.
Port Canaveral, located on Florida's Space Coast, is one of the busiest cruise ports in the world, but it's also super convenient. Airport shuttles are about 45 minutes from MCO in Orlando, and each terminal has its own parking garage. Parking for our 6-day cruise was $149.80.
Terminal 5-6 Port Canaveral.
5-6 Vista. Ooh. Okay, we're ready to go. It was a really quick check-in, muster. And look, they already had the kids' burgers made. So you did get it, Vista did it right. They already have their kid burgers made. And we got a burger, a kid's burger, fries, and fun chips. Where's the third one? There it is. Cheers. Cheers. Cruise day. Muster was so quick, I didn't even have time to wake up my camera. We walked up, they asked our name, and said, okay, you're done. We went to lunch before it got too crowded and ordered guys' burgers and some fun chips. Vista also has gelato for lunch with a topping bar. Perfect to go with Embarkation Day funfetti cheesecake. Cheesecake. Gelato and all the toppings. Confetti cheesecake and that s'more stuff. It's like a hurricane. They were saying that the thing was going to lift off. Wow. Here's our room, 205. Let's see our keys. Here's our room. Where's your bed? 3 people are supposed to fit in here. A bathroom. We dropped our luggage off earlier. We have our little desk. Where do you, oh look, the ceiling. This is gonna be your bed. I think that's gonna come out. This is an adjoining room. And we have a little TV, little tiny room, and our refrigerator. On each side we have our light. And I don't see charging areas, did you? Just over here. 2 plugs, 2 charging. It's at 1 closet. That's not a good sign. which is one side for hanging and one side with the safe and the shelves and drawers. But that's it. Wow, this is a tiny room. But, oh, can we go in here? No. Okay, gotta fit everything. Unpacking can be exhausting.
3 sailways later.
Rooms are ready after lunch around 1:30, and then it's time to explore the ship and go to the sail away party.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. Thank you.
You okay?
Thank you.
Hi. How about you, sir?
But you know what? Let's go ahead and bring our playlist performers back in action. Here we go. Boom, ha, boom, ha. Hey, now, work it, Amos. Come on, Grant. Hey, now, shake that back. Come on. Get it, Rob. The biggest jump high, though. Now, welcome out the U team. Here we go, everybody, we rock it. 1 and 2, to the side, back to the front, now to your side. You hit that 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and 4 and 3 and 2. Now let me see your hands in the air. Now put your hands up. Come on, put your hands up. It's go ahead, put them all up. Make some noise in your entertainment team. Oh my gosh, you guys, look here, we got some celebrities. It's Canada! Oh my goodness! Hi there! Wow! I didn't know you were coming! Right now! That's so cool! I've always wanted to have a dance party with a cat in a hat. But you know what? I love it. You know what? I want to get everybody out here. I need everybody to make their way down to this dance floor because I need to see that y'all gonna be able to keep up with us. So let's go, everybody on this dance floor right here, right now, cause we gonna get funky. Here we go. Now, as everybody's coming down to dance with the cat in the hat, I need y'all to do me a favor and clap your hands. It's clap, clap. Say we love the fun. Say we love DJ Six. Now somebody, everybody, somebody scream! Let's go! Jump, come on, jump that way! Jump that way! Jump that way! Here we go, to the right! Hey! Now clap your hands! Everybody clap your hands! Thank you so much, I'll be here all week. You guys are great, that was really good. Thank you so much. You didn't have to applaud for me. Okay. Now also, because you seem like you've got so much high energy, I'm also going to give you the leftover candy from last cruise. That's like 6 pounds of sugar right there, but because it was from last cruise, you have to eat it all today, okay? If you're here celebrating like a divorce, make some noise. Okay, some of y'all just found out the hard way. Love that. New year, new you. Get it. If you're here celebrating like a graduation, make some noise. Great, stay in school. You'll get there one day. Okay. If you are here celebrating good times, good vibes with friends and family, as we have a chance to have a good time, make some noise! But it doesn't matter why you're here, it's as long as you're celebrating. I want you on this dance floor. That's Queen. Alright, I want to see you add your own little flavor to it. How do you go to the right? You figure it out. It's time to get ready. It's time to set out to the open water as we start your cruise vacation. I look forward to seeing you guys. Get on out there. Go take pictures. Send the messages to your friends and family that you ain't going to be around for the next 6 days because you're going to be partying like a rock star. We're excited to see you as we're literally going into international waters. My friends, it's official. Y'all are on vacation! Welcome to the Carnival Vista. We'll see you all around the ship and welcome aboard. Hey!
one pilot.
I guess the space shuttle's on the other side of the space center. On the beach. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look
That's someone making a dolphin noise.
I
saw the
thought I saw one right there. Oh, there's the pilot ship. Come get the pilot. All right, here's our bed. We have a Pullman. Look, it's got a bar so you don't fall out. Thank you. Oh, I should have brought a jacket.
Oh,
It's cold. All right, here's our table. Dinner in the main dining room every night was excellent. The soups were always hot and the salads were fresh and cold. Use the app to check in and get a notification when your table is ready so there's no waiting in the hallways. Although some people never used the app and waited every night. We've got chicken and rice and here, soup. That looks good.
yeah, creamy.
And another one. Oh, thank you.
Sugar? With sugar?
Oh, yes, please. And it is a mixed salad. Mixed salad and soup. Chicken soup. Okay, that is the lamb pappardelle. We've got the lamb dish. And I got the barbecued salmon. And it's on andouille, I think, and some cauliflower maybe. And yours looks good too. You have the vegetables. Here we go.
All right, enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Looks delicious. And for dessert, we have ice cream, navel orange cake, and cheesecake.
Well, good evening, everybody, and welcome on to the Vista, really. For those of you that I've not yet met, my name is MarQ, which is simply M-A-R and a capital Q. Yeah, wow, yes, done, well done, yes. I am your cruise director on board, which is basically, for those of you that aren't really sure, it's my job to have as much fun as I can so that fun becomes contagious, so that y'all walk away from here after these 6 days going, I need a vacation from my vacation. Okay? And I love to have a good time, but I'm not gonna lie, I also like to have conversations with you, and I can only see so many of you right now. So can I actually get the house lights up so I can see all these beautiful faces of everybody tonight? Oh! Yeah! Actually, you know what, let's just turn those lights off, actually. Oh, much better, much better. Yeah. No, I'm kidding. Let me play this performers!
take a minute to like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Coming soon, more Carnival Vista Caribbean Cruise.
That are going to be dominating this stage over the next 6 days. So make sure you keep coming back for all the adventures that they're going to be providing for you, alright? Now look, the night is young and so are we, and you are officially on vacation. So we're going to make our way outside to the lobby as we're going to have a little bit more fun to come. So come on out as we celebrate the fact that it's official. Y'all are on vacation!